Hey everyone, I just wanted you to see my beautiful garden. How nice it's growing, it's so pretty. Now I've got this one here, this is my clematis. Now I planted that last year and it is doing really well. Hopefully I'll get some buds out of it. I've got my beautiful incense burning. There's some peace and serenity. And I've got here my Rose of Sharon. I think it's going to go with me this year. It's gotten a lot bigger than the last time. So I've got that one there. I've got my little rooster. But look at these, the peonies. How gorgeous are these flowers? This is God's gift to nature. So beautiful. And now look at my roses. So gorgeous. Look at this. All ready to bloom. Now my suggestion is that when they're finished blooming and your roses are closing up and they're just going to die out, just clip them and you're going to get more blooms out of them. But look at that. So beautiful. It's really, really pretty. Look at that. That is a big, and these are my Nyx peonies because I really love peonies. And look at the flower on that one. That is really gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I've got quite a few peonies because these are perennials. And they come back every single year. And they grow really big. So if you're planting any of these, just take into consideration they do get wider, so make space so that they can grow really hardy. Look at that. And then I've got my little bird feeder there. That was a fountain, but it doesn't work, but I've put it in there. And there's my other, forgot the name of that one. And I've got another family here that's growing really big there. And I call this my peacock because when it grows it really spreads out big. And this is my little sanctuary there, my little Buddha guys, and I've got my other ones there. This is my hydrangeas. It hasn't bloomed yet, but it's flourishing. And I've got another peonies here, and this one is just amazing. This is just planted last year or the year before. Now it's really going really well. So I'm really happy with these, so I don't have to do much gardening. This one I'm actually waiting for because I don't know what kind of plant this is. I did plant it and I can't figure out if it's flowers. I think I bought it because it's supposed to have flowers on it. We'll wait and see. And then I've got these guys here, another peonies. Look at that. So gorgeous. And this is another peonies. As you can see, I do love peonies. And I've got my little turtle there. I've got a lion down there, but I won't show you the rest because that's the worst part of the garden on that side. And I've got, this is my tiger lily. Now these tiger lilies are really huge. They are the biggest tiger lilies I have seen when they do bloom. Now this is also perennials. As you can see, it's gotten bigger and bigger. I started off with one bloom and it's spreading, so that's really good. And I've got my little elephant there, so what I'll do, I'll just stand over here and have you see the garden from this angle. Look at that. Now I hope my camera doesn't look fuzzy. It looks fuzzy. There's no filter or anything on this. This is all my garden here. So, and Michael and Natasha had helped me with this garden. And the kids, Amanda and Melissa, has helped me over the years. Now this has taken a long time to get like this, so, but I would suggest if If you're doing a garden, do lots of perennials and just add a few annuals. That way they grow back every year and the flowers all come at different times, and which is really nice. Can't wait for these ones to come out. My little bellflowers, I call them, but my rose bush is absolutely gorgeous. I did have another one, but it did die. And then I've got another tiny little peonies in the corner there. And this is the garden. I don't know why I have that umbrella thing there, but this is it. Yep, absolutely beautiful. There's my rooster. Love it. This is the best part about summer. I'm just coming out back here and just enjoying it and taking advantage of God's nature and just enjoying the great outdoors in my backyard. Thanks guys for watching. Thought I'd share that with everyone.